Hello, welcome to session 11 of our class. We're at the last stage of reading the books, so this week is your last chance to finish taking notes and decide what you think you'd like to put into your presentation. Next week, your group will be meeting. The whole assignment is to meet and plan the presentation and prepare it so that the following week or two, you'll be launching that with the class. The final set of readings you'll do for this course have to do with brain-based education. So you're going to be seeing from two authors, Posey and Hammond, insights about the brain and learning that we've learned recently. And you'll also see some pros and cons of using technology in another box on Canvas with some technology links. Look over all the resources. You're just going to be taking 3 ideas from each of the sources, 3 from Posey, 3 from Hammond, 3 from the technology links that are key ideas about the brain and learning. Then you'll be, for your assignment, submitting those notes as well as your 2 to 3 paragraphs reflecting on what you think about. You've seen brain-based education working or not working in educational classroom and coaching sessions. In case you're really interested in the brain information, there's 2 additional chapters that are linked with the resources in the Canvas site, but you don't have to read those. Those are just for your information if you care to, if you like that topic. Thank you and have a wonderful week. These are the last set of readings that we're going to do for the course. The rest is interacting with each other in our our book teams and our final culminating project, which will be the last week of the class. Have a great week.